Today I'm diving deep into my biggest trading fear and challenge myself to face it heads-on. Trading fears are more common than you think. It's not, I'm not talking about only about beginner trader, even seasoned trader, those who've been in the game for years have to deal with them. Sometimes it can really hold you back. Making it through to stick to your strategy and make the best decisions. Fear of loss probably is the one of the biggest ones. I mean, who wants to lose money? It's only natural to want to avoid the loss, but sometimes it can really lead to being overly cautious and missing out some great opportunities. Then that fears of missing out, FOMOs, and a whole bunch of faces getting wrapped. It's that anxiety you feel when you see other making trades and you're not in the action. You start wondering if you're missing out on something big, and let's not forget the fear of making a mistake. It's one of this one is huge because it can lead to poor analysis and where you are so worried about making a wrong move that you end up not moving at all. This fear can really impact your trading, making you second guess yourself all time. For example, fear of loss might make you cut the profit too early, or hold you in the position too long, hoping to break even. Maybe sometimes fear of missing out can lead to impulsive decision, jump into a trade without doing your homework, and fear of making a mistake can cause you to hesitate, missing out on trades that can basically be winning trades. I've had a fair share of trading fears, and one of the one that really stand out was when I was afraid to take an action on a position because I was worried I'd get spotted out. I set my stop loss, but it still stressed me. Stressed me a lot. I was very stressed about it, worrying that the market would move against me. It was affecting my ability to trade with confidence. I realized that I had to find a way to manage this fear, and I started to work on my risk management strategy, and it's really helped. I began to see that I could control my risk, and that gave me some confidence to make the trade without being paralyzed from the fear. What's really helped me to overcome the fear is understanding that risk management is a key. Once I had this solid plan in place, I felt more in control. I learned to set realistic goals and not to over leverage my account. It is funny. Once I faced that fear, I started to trade more freely. I wasn't letting my fear dedicate my decision, and my trading was significantly improved. So those were some of the main fears traders actually feel when you're in the face. Basically, the fear of loss, the fear of missing out, the fear of making a mistake. Addressing them with is a crucial when you want to become a more confident trader. It's not about eliminating fear entirely. It's about learning to manage it so it doesn't control your decisions. If you're struggling with trading fears, I want to hear about it. Share it, the biggest trading fear, in your comments below. And if you were looking for more tips on how to overcome those fears and improve in your strategy, check out more of our videos. Of course, tag along to the Discord channel where you're gonna find a lot of traders in our community that all share the same fears, wins and losses, and it's always good to trade with the community. Of course, the links will be in the bio, and of course, and if you want to know how to trade more proper way, there's a link to our Elite Master course. It's a completely free for 3 days for you to complete and improve your skills. I want to wish you a success in your trading journey, and as always, I'm gonna see you in the next market overview. Thank you for watching.